Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Placement Wala, a complete placement solution. And this is Pratik Srivastava here, founder. Friends, TCS की तरफ से कुछ unexpected चीजें हुई हैं. For the upgrade candidates, right, the one who are waiting for the result, they have received the rejection mail from TCS. I don't know how many of them has received, but many of them sent us WhatsApp messages today that sir, my interview was very good. They were waiting for the upgrade result. So they had given the interview for Prime and they were the Ninja candidate, but they did not get digital. And what I feel is, so most of them or all of them, okay, because I contacted with many of the students and they have got the rejection mail. But friends, see, one thing is very, very clear. The one who is waiting for off-campus TCS NQT off-campus result, okay, because these people already had a job. So TCS might have decided, okay, not to go for the higher packages as part of their restructuring and cost cutting, right? See, right now 12,000 employees layoff. See, the major reason which comes as cost cutting, right? So if the revenue, see, if I am simple reason, if I am earning 1,000 rupees, okay, and if I am spending 1,200 rupees, so I am into 200 rupees loss. Now, how can I manage it? So definitely, if I hire more for Ninja, then automatically this will come down because digital candidate, see, Ninja I have to pay 3.36, digital 7 and Prime 9. So this is where I can save the money. Okay. So TCS is doing that. Even TCS knows these are the candidate were selected for Prime. These are the good candidates. Okay. These are the good candidates. And now I can make them work for 3.36 lakhs per annum. So mind game देखो यहाँ पे 3.36 में 9 LPA के कैंडिडेट को लेकर आप आ रहे हो, right? So this is what TCS is doing now. And trust me, I am not happy. Sir, आपके happy ना होने से क्या होता है? अरे भाई, if I am not happy means I am talking about all the student, those who are waiting for this upgrade results. No, see, when somebody says, sir, many of my friends get the rejection mail, many of us face that the panel is not ask questions, they just ask 1 or 2 questions and that's it. See, this is not the result. This is a dream of many candidates which has broken today. So I stand for the student. Okay, see, company will always look for their profit. Even if I have a company, I will also look for the profit because the management who is sitting on the top, right, the CEO level and all, so their job is to make the company into profit. Okay, they don't even care the employees are going. So that is the reason it has been told, love your job, don't love your company, because the CEO sitting at the top, how many layoffs is happening, he does not care. Okay, who is getting digital, who is getting Prime, does not care. His job is to make company into profit. That's all. It's very, very simple. And I am really feeling very bad for all this student. Okay, now TCS NQT off campus results. See, one thing what I could feel is many of the students will be getting Ninja role. Results will come. Okay, rejection will not happen because see, here these people have job. Here they have clearly mentioned, we appreciate the effort and dedication which you demonstrated as part of our TCS NQT selection process. After careful consideration of your performance, we regret to inform you that you have not been selected for offer upgrade. However, your current existing offer will hold valid. So these people have a job. At least they can start with Ninja. Okay, but the one who is waiting for TCS NQT off-campus result, you don't worry. It might take some time. You will ask me, sir, when the result will come. How will I know here? See, all those things are happening. TCS is thinking in all these aspects. Nobody will be knowing here. Even I don't have any idea. See, from the beginning, I'm telling you, I do not have any direct contact with this TCS CEO level or that kind of level people. Okay, I do not have any direct contact, and nobody will be having. These are very internal information. So in my every video, I say that you have to wait, you have to keep a sense. And see, like today I uploaded on online study for you channel, this particular channel, I am, uploading this hiring videos. So you go and apply for that, right? See, you do not have to depend on only one company. I told you multiple times. Okay, so you do not have to depend on only one companies. So you have to get as many jobs as possible. Whichever gives the onboarding first, go and join that company. Okay, so this is what I wanted to inform you. Please do not get demotivated. Okay, see, so whatever happens, no, it happens for a good reason. I will tell you. I was rejected in Wipro during my college days. So I will tell you the story. I will just take 2 minutes. So what happened? I went to give the Wipro interview. It was happening in the college itself, and that interviewer, right? So 40 minutes interview was there, and for 20 minutes he was on call. See, when you are taking an interview, first of all, you should not do that. Okay, and he was not even concentrating on interviews. He was asking some and the other like question which is irrelevant. Okay, but still I was trying to reply. I was trying to tell whatever I was knowing, but I did not get selected in Wipro. And trust me, that day, no, I cried a lot. I mean, when the result came, I cried a lot. I thought like Wipro, see, as a fresher, right? So, and when you do not have options for this product-based company, then Infosys, Wipro, TCS, this becomes your the big companies. And TCS was not coming in our college because of some conflict. Okay, and that time online exams were not happening, so TCS was not there. Only options we had Wipro and Infosys. Infosys I could not sit because I had chicken pox. Okay, and in the 3 days only that Infosys came to our college, so I had very bad luck, man. So I did not get placed at all, and that too from such a big college, MS Ramaya. So you might have heard about it. Okay, I was very upset, but then I I always think that whatever happens, it happens for a good reason. It will definitely give you a good job. Then I got selected in Tata. I started my career with Tata, and I was selected for this particular embedded system, like my core role. Okay, and then once I joined later on, I realized that embedded system does not have much scope, at least in India. I mean, very less company works on it. So again, I changed it to software testing, and now also I'm the team lead in one of the company for the testing. So whatever happens, no, it happens for a good reason. And Tata, I got so much time that I started my the passion teaching. And today I'm in front of you. I teach you. I bring hiring videos. I share my experiences. So whatever happens, it happens for a good reason. I wanted to tell each one of you, when TCS will give you 3.36, no, you will never be happy, and you will try for something best, something good, something better. And trust me, you will be the one who will succeed in life. My best wishes are with you guys. Please don't worry. Everything happens for a good reason. Take care. All the best. Bye bye.